Hey everyone, if you're looking at your sales transactions list and see a deposit that shouldn't be there, I'm going to show you the fastest way to pull it out. We're going to find it, open it, and delete it so your books stay balanced. Let's get into it. Step 1. Navigate to Sales Transactions. On your left-hand sidebar, hover over Sales and select All Sales or Sales Transaction. This gives you a master list of every sales-related entry in QuickBooks. Step 2. Filter for the deposit. To find what you're looking for quickly, look at the Type column. Scroll down until you see the entry labeled Deposit. If your list is long, you can click the Filter button, set the type to Deposits, and hit Apply to clear out the noise. Step 3. Open the transaction. Once you've located the specific deposit, don't click the Batch Actions instead. Simply click on the deposit line itself to open up the original bank deposit screen. Step 4. Delete the deposit. Now that the deposit is open, look at the bottom center of the screen. Click on the More button and select Delete. Step 5. Confirm and reconcile. A warning will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Yes. Just a heads up, this deletes the deposit, but the individual payments will stay in your system. They'll just move back to your undeposited funds list so you can record them correctly later. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.